Now that we've learned what IP multicast routing can do, let's take a look at why it's important. The growth of networks today means corporations are using their networks for just about everything they do. This means more and more users are accessing the network. Additional services are added all the time, and a dependable network has become an absolute requirement. This means real-time voice, video, and customer traffic needs to be supported as expeditiously as possible. IP multicast is one of the services designed to allow this to happen. Here's some of the things IP multicast can do for a network. 1. Multicasting conserves bandwidth. Because IP multicast controls the number of packets created and where they are sent, it's able to eliminate a lot of redundant packets that use valuable bandwidth. This is especially true across the network backbone, where all traffic must share limited resources. 2. IP multicast does not send packets to stations that do not need to see them, the way that broadcast messages do. Now, this is important especially for older PCs, because each computer that receives a broadcast must stop what it's doing and examine the message to see whether it needs to receive it or not. 3. Some of the applications that are able to take advantage of multicasts are resource discovery, which is how one network device can discover other devices or resources. Examples of resource discovery are routers locating other routers or stations locating a DHCP server to get an IP address. Another application that uses IP multicasting is multipoint file transfer, which involves sending files from one station to multiple stations. Multipoint file transfer is very useful for creating redundant databases. For example, if a company has an office in Chicago and an office in Houston that share the same sales database, multipoint file transfer can be used to update the database in both offices at once. Video conferencing and distance learning also use IP multicast routing. These applications allow an individual at one site to talk with multiple sites at the same time. Another application made possible by multicasting is military simulation. Military planners use multicasting to conduct simulated military operations in which everyone gets the same information simultaneously and then reacts based on that information.